Magandang gabi po ng October 19, 2025 Sunday at ito po ang mga resulta ng 9 p.m. draw result ng 2D Lotto, 3D Lotto, Super Lotto 649 at Ultra Lotto 658. 2D Lotto 9 p.m. draw result ngayong gabi ng October 19, 2025 Sunday. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na numero lumabasan para sa 2D Lotto 9 p.m. 3D Lotto 9 p.m. draw result ngayong gabi ng Sunday, October 19, 2025. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na numberan lumabasan para sa 3D Lotto 9 p.m. 'Super Lotto 649 draw result ngayong October 19, 2025 Sunday. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na numeral lumabasan para sa Super Lotto 649 at nandito na rin po ang kanyang jackpot price. Ultra Lotto 658 draw result ngayong Sunday, October 19, 2025. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na numberan lumabasan para sa Ultra Lotto 658 at nandito na rin po ang kanyang jackpot price. See you again tomorrow, October 20, 2025 Monday for 2 p.m. and 5 p.m. draw result of 2D Lotto and 3D Lotto. And 9 p.m. draw result of Grand Lotto 655, Mega Lotto 645, 4D Lotto, 3D Lotto, and 2D Lotto. Here are my tomorrow's jackpot estimates for Mega Lotto 645 and Grand Lotto 655 for Monday, October 20, 2025. Thank you for watching this 9 p.m. video for evening of October 19, 2025, Sunday. Don't forget to subscribe and hit notification bell for more Lotto result update.